Akwaba.
Yeah,
Boko
Yamiado.
Na mpacho Black Stars mo so mo bot tournament bi wo Serbia. Mr. Obet ma cheche mu kakra na Ghana fo hu botaya esi ani su aye de nkroya kosa competition.
Well, me that's nana say sa tournament botaya esi ani su nyina ne say ye betoa the development process and our developmental agenda no ye betoa so. Over here, you host to Wafu U17 at Cape Coast. I think say
I mean can chat for so we say obisa wasema no they are your WhatsApp because they're very important for you to respond to some of the questions. No problem. 0506367196. The spokesperson of the GFA is here. Any questions for him, suggestions, be adwin chiribia 0506367196. You are watching me live on Facebook. Into bet me do message no adwin channel so afa Brian Kwe.
Until now the American say you host to Wafu and to me qualify for Africa. Into under normal circumstances, no Obegas so say be players no do na yeba pinty. You disband the team, change the technical team and start all over again. But executive council decided say there are some top quality players in the team. You be to me maintaining a bit more high a progressive to U20 no you don't back up. But a bit more still I almost qualify for U17 no. If that is the case there once we also have the KGL U17 Champions League you know. You select quality players now free honor. Now you keep your mood together. Into be 6 weeks in here and Zito ne like Kingston Echo Camp Pram Pram. Almost sonne swan omunya 35 players. Out of the 35 tournament now almost bosses here and only 20 players can participate. Okay. Into almost selected 20 from the 35.
We be the MRI in Kawan.
Yes. In a yade eco balls competition. You know. What is exciting is that a UEFA organized tournament. Okay. But even though a UEFA organized tournament, you know, we made a strong case for
Africa.
Our participation. Yes, wow. For Africa. And a UEFA G2 into of the 4 countries are airborne. The African team are airborne. And so far, yes, 2 games now Mabono or more abom humo din yepa.
So what's the plan? And Croway will be forming the core of the next U17.
Yes.
But
that is the plan.
Like you said, when we are almost ball Wafunibia, they are still in the team. Say Collins Ajmamono Nasifon
almost prior. So
what's the plan for them now?
Yeah, the plan is still to give them an open opportunity. Coaches no be assess it was under a different technical team. Okay. And but a technical directorate no pool of players in any almost statistics and what they have done within the last 1 year. Almost still almost 16 and can compete, you know. You another chance. But over here, so of the 2 KGL U17 tournaments, as we speak, one of them, Chivanyo. Two, yes. And holiday go kino of a Great Corinthians. Winning last year edition. You know. And I think that is just to first of all expose them very early. So tournament, they will not be overawed by the stage, any stage fright. A final game against Switzerland. Okay. A game no against Switzerland but they will continue to be in camp. Friendly matches other international invitational tournaments be available. We have everything by the FA, but we are looking at the long term, and we think in terms of long term, it be very beneficial to us.
Okay, you more under 20, and Madam for be famous. Some obodu ni team no omo free players be 150 ko 200 o aden team ben kwa number be under 20 omo free sa.
Yeah. Okay, Nana Obesha, we have had 2 under 20s in the last 3 years. You win it 2020 no. The next one you qualify Niger. Yeah. Some of them are currently in the Black Meteors.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Black Meteors game here in Algeria boy. Central defensive pair no omu nyina free. Zito U20 na unqualified. No free.
Oh wow.
It means that progression no koso. Okay. Now from the U20 of 2020 and the U20 of 2022 coaches need decided say ombesan ama players no fair opportunity, especially omo hano. Intino omo FRA players be 120 ono mchiche omumu 40 in different batches ntomo ko pram di 1 week within that 1 week omo training 3 days na 5th day omo friendly na 6th day omo rest 7th day omo coffee and omo yes on 3 occasions sisi am no ka say omo say a report to enra enra report to report to yen be 120 now omo share omo select omo say ache omo mienu biem first batch I report to Nra almost started training and on be Friday. Na second batch no so asen Friday. No more the following week. Monday or Tuesday. Then from there they will have a core team, standing team from their omanya standing team. As a standing team no. Yeah, they kobo Wafu U20 Cup of Nations. Ebeba so Ivory Coast July. Okay. And then we will prepare for the next edition of Africa Youth Championship. Again, a medium to long term. But Yebo League, Enra, Yasmo will be one of the Division 1 matches. The report or the bar on page say 2 players same pay Division 1. Yes, and the almost also coach, ebe share within the next few days. Into a process air coso. You see, when you do not have a national academy players ni go biano, this is the best way to scout. Okay. I know because through Professor Mintani Technical Directorate, you will at least 10 scouts in all the 10 regions. As scouts no head Division 1, Division 2, Division 3. Normally on report ama technical head at the regional level. No so at the bre Professor Minta or national level. Na fe yama players number. Okay. No coaches no assess